Now, let me introduce Easy Fan Lash Extension Model MP001. This model lash extension with the character that there is magnet in the root. Each piece extension can be attracted automatically in the root bottom, so it is easy to flare during the lash extension procedure. It's convenient for grabbing and getting fans. You can pick several pieces directly up, then it work out the small flower. Any quantity pieces is workable, no matter 2D, 3D, 4D, 5D, 8D, 10D and so on. You can pick them as you want. And also you can pick them and twist on the tape to get a bigger open flower. Also they came out so pretty, thus massively speeding up the volume lash application. With above personality, it will help you cut your lash time down in half and you will love how fluffy they look. Most important, the end result is amazing. Your client will love these lashes because they feel sexy and attractive, nice and wispy once you use. You will say they are incredible product in your lash salon.